Hello everyone, excited to be sharing with you the tutorial that we launched in Pippen. This was directly based on feedback that we received from our community. This should automatically pop up when you log into your account if you haven't seen it already. Um, but if you'd like to launch it, we have this tutorial button here available on all the pages. So if I'm on the encounter page and I click this, it will show me the different sort of items there. So just showing you the different features and explanation on each. And you can quickly access that in the other areas. So again, if I click tutorial, it will show up in each of the different pages. I hope this helps, and please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.